In this video, we will discuss about optimal binary search tree. In short, it is called OBST. So, optimal binary search tree, it is the applications we have used for searching any words in the dictionary to get the meaning of that word in another language. Now, let us see some words to be searched from the dictionary, means the meaning of the given English words into another language, say Marathi, from the given dictionary, and we have to find out how much expected searching cost will be required for the searching all the given words from the dictionary. There are some words to be searched from the dictionary. Arrange, icon, in order. So there are 4 words to be searched in the dictionary, and how much expected searching cost will be required for searching arrange icons in the order in the dictionary. Now consider this is the K1. K1 is the actual keys, K2 actual key, K3 actual key, K4 actual key. So there are 4 words, means we have the 4 actual keys. In dictionary, before arrange word, there may be many words, and we can call these words as the dummy words or the dummy keys. And dummy keys are represented using D, that is D0, means all the keys which are just before the arrange, and these words are indicated using D0, and we call these words as the dummy words or dummy keys. So in between actual keys K1 and K2, there may be the many words, and we can call these words as D1, means the dummy words between arrange and icon. Similar way, in between K2 and K3, so there may be the dummy words or dummy keys which are represented using D2. Then dummy words or dummy keys between K3 and K4, means between in and order words. These dummy words or dummy keys are represented using D3, and after order or after actual key K4, so there may be the many dummy keys or dummy words, and these are represented using D4. If actual keys are n, so you will get the dummy keys n plus 1. So n plus 1 nothing but the dummy keys, and n is nothing but actual keys. Here dummy keys are started from D0 and actual key is started from the K1. So let us say one example for searching these words in the dictionary. So we use the binary search tree for finding out the expected searching cost. Now there may be the many binary search trees can be obtained for searching these words, but out of this binary search tree we have to find out the BST which gives us the minimum expected searching cost, and such BST is called the OBST, that is optimal binary search tree. Now let us see the one example, and we will try to find out which one will be the OBST from the given binary search tree. We have considered two binary search tree. Consider this as BST-A and this tree as BST-B. Now first we have to find out the equations to get the expected searching cost for searching the actual keys. Expected search cost T is equal to, so actually there are the keys starting from 1 to n. So these keys are called the actual keys. We start from the 1. First we have to locate the particular key using depth T Ki particular key plus 1. If you add 1, so you will get that key. Suppose the K5 and depth of the K5 is 2, 0, 1, 2, 2 plus 1, it means that the third node. And for each and the every keys, actual keys or maybe the dummy keys, the probabilities are assigned. For the actual keys, Pi is the probability assigned for. Plus, so this is for the actual keys. Then for the dummy keys start from D0 means 0 to n, and so we know that dummy keys are always associated with the leaf nodes and actual keys are associated with root node and internal nodes. Depth, consider the BST T Di, which gives the dummy keys plus 1, and the probability assigned for dummy keys are Qi. Simplify this. Summation from I is equal to 1 to n. So multiply depth Ki with Pi. Depth T Ki with Pi plus summation from I is equal to 1 to n. Then multiply 1 with Pi, that is Pi, plus summation from I is equal to 0 to n. This is for dummy keys. So multiply the depth Di with Qi. Depth Di with Qi plus summation from I is equal to 0 to n. So multiply 1 with Qi, we get Qi is equal to, so take these terms together and these terms together. So we get summation from I is equal to 1 to n depth T Ki Pi plus summation from I is equal to 0 to n. This term I am taking, this one, depth T Di Qi plus, then I am considering this one, summation from I is equal to 1 to n Pi plus summation from I is equal to 0 to n Qi is equal to, so we know that maximum probability is the 1, means adding probabilities, that is Pi with Qi, so we get 1, summation from I is equal to 1 to n depth T Ki Pi plus summation from I is equal to 0 to n depth T Di Qi plus 1. So this is the relation for getting expected searching cost. I write expected searching cost formula this side. Is equal to summation from I is equal to 1 to n depth t ki pi plus summation from I is equal to 0 to n depth t di qi plus 1. Two BSTs are given, and with this the probabilities of actual keys, that is pi, and probabilities of dummy keys has to be given with these binary search trees. Now let us see the probabilities of actual keys and the dummy keys. I write this side. Pi is 0.15, 0.10, 0.05, 0.10, 0.20. Then Qi, that is probability of dummy keys, is 0.05, 0.10, 0.05, 0.05, 0.05, 0.10. So taking the reference of the probabilities of actual keys and the dummy keys. So there are 5 actual keys, K1, K2, K3, K4 and the K5. Means there will be the 6 dummy keys. Now let us see, using this formula we will try to get the expected searching cost of BST A, now then BST B. Ki, then depth A of Ki, then depth Ki multiply with Pi, depth A, Ki, Pi. This is for the actual keys. Then I write for the second terms, that is Di, then depth A, Di, then depth A, Di into Qi. So I am trying to get the expected searching cost of BST A. I start from the K1. So find out the depth of the K1. Depth of K1 is 1. This 0, this 1, 1. Then depth of K1 is multiplied with the P1. So here I is nothing but 1. So here K1 is 0.15, 0.15 multiply with 1, which gives 0.15. Then next is K2, and find out the depth of the K2. Depth of K2 is 0, means 0 into P2, so that is 0. Then K3, find out the depth of K3, 0, 1, 2, that is 2, and multiply this depth with the probability of the K3, that is 0.05, so that is 0.10. Now then K4, So depth of the K4 is 0, 1 means 1, and multiply this one with the probability of the K4. Probability of the K4 is this one, 0.10 into 1, we get 0.10. Similar way, find out the depth of the K5 from BSTA. Here is the K5, depth is 0, 1, 2, and probability is 0.20. It means that 0.40. Now similar way, try to complete this table. Start from dummy keys D0. So find out the depth of D0 from A, that is 0, 1, 2, it's 2, and multiply this 2 with the probability of the D0. Probability of the D0 is nothing but 0.05, that is 0.10. Next dummy key is D1 and depth is 0, 1, 2, again 2, and multiply this 2 with the probability of the D1. Probability of D1 is 0.10. 0.10 into 2, that is 0.20. Then D2, the depth of D2 is 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Multiply these 3 with the probability of dummy keys D2, that is 0.05, means 0.05 into 3, that is 0.15. Then D3, the depth of D3 is 0, 1, 2, 3. 3. Multiply 3 with the probability of dummy keys D3, that is 0.05. It gives 0.15. Then D4. Find out the depth of D4 from BSTA. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. And multiply 3 with the probability of dummy keys D4, that is 0.05. It comes to 0.15. Then D5, the depth of D5 is again 3. Multiply 3 with the probability of dummy keys D5, that is 0.10 with 3. So it gives 0.30. Take the sum of these values. It gives 0.75. Take the sum of these values. It gives 1.05. Here 0.75 is the value of this term. 1.05 is the value of this term. Then expected search cost of BSTA is equal to 0.75 plus 1.05 plus 1. It gives 2.8. This is nothing but expected searching cost of the BSTA. The searching cost of this is 2.8. Similar way, find out the expected searching cost of BST-B and then compare the searching cost of the BST-A and the BST-B to get the OBST. Now, out of these two BST, the BST which gives us the minimum expected searching cost, that is nothing but the OBST, optimal binary search tree. Now let us find out the expected searching cost of the BST-B. Now consider the binary search tree B. First find out the depth of the K1, depth of the K1 is 1, 0, 1. Multiply this with the probability of the K1. Probability of K1 is 0.15. Then find out the depth of the K2, that is 0, and the multiply this 0 with the probability of the K2, it gives 0. Then the depth of the K3 is 0, 1, 2, 3. Multiply this 3 with the probability of the K3, that is 0.05. It gives 0.15. Then find out the depth of the K4, 0, 1, 2. Multiply with the probability of K4, that is 0.10. It gives 0.20. Then find out the depth of K5, 0, 1. Multiply with the probability of K5, 0.20. Take the sum of this, it gives 0.7. Similar way, try to solve this table using the same BSTB. The depth of D0, 0, 1, 2, that is 2. Multiply this 2 with probability of D0, that is 0.05. It gives 0.10. Then the depth of D1 is 2 again, 0, 1, 2, 2. Multiply this 2 with the probability of D1, that is 0.10, means 0.2. Then find out the depth of D2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiply this 4 with 0.05, that is 0.20. Then find out depth of D3 from BSTB, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So multiply this with these probabilities, probability of D3, that is 0.05. It gives 0.20. Then the probability of D4 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 3. So multiply this with 0.05, that is 0.15. Then find out the depth of D5. It gives 0, 1, 2. Now multiply 2 with the probability of D5, that is 0.10. It gives 0.20. And add these values, it gives 1.05. Here 0.7 is the value of this summation, 1.05 is the value of this summation. Then find out the expected searching cost. Expected search cost of BSTB is equal to 0.7 plus 1.05 plus 1. It comes to 2.75. So this is the expected searching cost of the BSTB for searching all the actual keys. 2.75. Out of these two cost 2.8 for searching K1, K2, K3, K4 and K5, and BSTB having expected searching cost 2.75 for searching K1, K2, K3, K4, K5. Now out of this, the BSTB is providing the minimum expected searching cost, that is 2.75. That's why BSTB will be the OBST. Now here BSTB will be OBST and expected searching cost is equal to 2.75. 7 5. This is all about the explanations of optimal binary search tree. In next video, we will discuss about the numerical problem based on the OBST. Thank you.